This is a recording from the second week of the rebuilding the shark catamaran. We got it off the trailer and put it on the stands and started scrubbing it up, getting all the old dirt off of it, just with a little soap and water. Me and my helper there, second mate. Once we got it all scrubbed up, it was time to start stripping it down and taking all the bad pieces off. Here's a little bit of a walk around. You see the spray trim there. This is the condition of the decks. All the bracing for it is rotted. Those aluminum pieces, they're end capped in wood, and that's what supports the deck across the span. We'll look into that a little bit later and what we're going to do about that. The outside spray rails where it's set on the trailer were rotten. The inside spray rails that were protected weren't as bad, but they're going to be removed and the holes are going to be plugged, and that's going to be the end of them. We're not going to have any spray rails. It kind of makes it look a little bit better without the spray rails. Might be sorry later about that, but that's the plan. There's the deck on the other side. Centerboard is still in there at this point. Here I removed the deck support and also the connecting bars that connected the two sections together. If you look off in the left, there's a square steel thing, and on the other side there's a plug that holds that. Here's all the pieces. They're all go in bags, marked bags, and get thrown in a box to be put back on, and you'd be surprised how much you end up with just on even on a small sailboat. Bags upon bags. There's the bracing. Into the box it goes. Getting ready to take off the hardware off the transom. This was a problem. These bolts had nuts on the inside, and you had to go inside the hull to hold the nuts, and I tried to get up inside there, and my chest does not fit through the hole. So we got the first mate and asked her if she would go up and hold the nuts, and she mutinied on me. But then we had a little bit of a meeting, and as you can see,
Need help, Ma?
It turned out a little different.
What do you need this black marker for?
Almost. You want me to get you another brick? Go ahead, you got it. Hold on. Okay, that's the board. How'd you make out? Come on out of there. Go ahead.
The nut's not getting out. Okay, I'm waiting for that.
Well, that's basically the end of the second week. I'm going to go out and buy some lumber and also get the paint ordered and a few other things I need coming in, and get some sanding done, and we'll start finishing up the hull and try and get some stuff back together, or at least get ready to put back together.